Do you ever get frustrated thinking there's just not enough, whether money, opportunities, or resources? Do scarcity and lack seem to follow you? Do you worry the overflow you desire will always stay just out of reach? Well, what if living in true abundance was possible after all, even in the face of external limitations? The truth is, cultivating an abundance mindset first starts within. It begins when we courageously change our internal outlook. When we shift from scarcity to prosperity thinking, outer conditions transform too. If you're tired of feeling restricted and ready to attract overflowing abundance instead, then let's get started with the basics. So, what exactly is an abundance mentality? Essentially, having an abundance mindset means believing there are enough opportunities and resources for everyone. It's the opposite of a scarcity mentality, where you think everything is limited. Cultivating a mindset of abundance can greatly enrich our lives, relationships, and success. Let's explore practical ways to get there. Appreciate what you have. Transitioning to an abundance mentality first requires gratitude for what we already have. Appreciation serves as the foundation. Make a daily practice of acknowledging the blessings in your life, big and small. Reflect on the people, experiences, necessities, and luxuries you're grateful for. This focus shifts attention away from perceived lack. When we express gratitude for what is present rather than fretting over what's missing, our perspective changes. We realize abundance exists all around us, even if life isn't perfect. Appreciation lifts us out of scarcity thinking. From this space of gratitude, abundance can grow. Share your gifts. Here's an impactful mindset shift. Instead of thinking solely about personal gain, ponder how you can help others. How can you generously use your unique talents and resources to make a difference? This flips scarcity mentality on its head. Rather than viewing the world merely in terms of limited resources and intense competition, embrace an outlook centered around mutual uplift. Find ways to contribute, cooperate, and share the wealth, material or otherwise. Generosity and community abundance thinking go hand in hand. Adopt prosperity thinking. Too often we unconsciously impose limits on what's possible out of fear or rigid assumptions. But the reality is our full potential stays locked unless we expand our perspective. Open your mind to the truth. The universe contains infinite, untapped possibilities. Prosperity thinking requires releasing attachment to preconceived constraints. Move beyond restrictive beliefs about what you or others deserve. The more we embrace abundance possibilities, the more they can manifest. Allow yourself to envision an expansive, abundant future filled with positive potential. Leaning into prosperous thinking maximizes our magnetism. Reframe setbacks. Challenging times undoubtedly arise on the path of life. That's simply reality. Adversity finds everyone occasionally. An abundance mentality holds space for both appreciation and difficulty. During setbacks or seasons of perceived scarcity, avoid catastrophic thinking. Rather than declaring everything is ruined or I have nothing, stay grounded in the bigger picture. Hardships serve purposes like growth, redirection, and insight. Reframe struggles in terms of what you still have versus perceiving losses only. This mentality empowers us to learn and bounce back stronger. Beyond thought patterns and beliefs, cultivating behaviors aligned with abundance also plays a key role. Engage generously. Express your abundance mentality through concrete actions. Where can you generously give time, attention, wisdom, talents, positivity, or other gifts? All it takes is cultivating a habit of freely sharing your light with others around you. Such engagement sends energy flowing as you walk in alignment with spiritual laws of circulating abundance. Plus, it benefits those you bless and enriches communities simultaneously. Generosity provides the ultimate win-win. Release comparisons. Here's an essential nugget. Resist endlessly measuring where you're at in life relative to others. Comparing often plunges us right down the scarcity rabbit hole and robs joy. Walk your unique path and let everyone else walk theirs. Rather than tallying up where you exceed or lack by comparison, shift to purely appreciating others' skills and blessings while simultaneously recognizing your own. There's no need to contrast. We each have special traits and plenty of deficiencies too. Releasing comparison thinking helps open the floodgates to abundance. Well, there you have it, a collection of powerful strategies for living from a space of true abundance. Putting this outlook into practice liberates us from artificially imposed limits. We hope these mindset shifts expand your capacity to receive life's gifts. Abundant blessings to you.